How to invest in ETFs, starting in your 20s. Investing in ETFs, exchange-traded funds, is a great way for young investors to get started with investing. Start young and watch your investments grow. Wish I had this opportunity in my early 20s. I didn't start investing until my late 20s, and I'll tell you, start young. Here are some tips on how to invest in ETFs if you're in your 20s. 1. Educate yourself. The more you know about ETFs and the markets, the better prepared you will be when it comes time to make investment decisions. Read up on different types of ETFs, research the companies and sectors they invest in, and understand their risks and potential rewards. 2. Assess your risk tolerance. You need to decide how much risk you're willing to take on with your investments. Do you prefer short or long-term investments? Are you comfortable with a high or low amount of volatility? Knowing how much risk is right for you will help narrow down which ETFs are best suited for your portfolio. 3. Consider dollar cost averaging. This investment strategy involves investing a set amount of money into security, in this case, an ETF, on a regular schedule, regardless of its share price at that time. The idea is that over time, the average cost per share will be lower than if you had invested all at once. 4. Diversify your holdings. When building an ETF portfolio, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in multiple asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Also spread out across different sectors and countries. This can help reduce risks associated with concentrating your investments too heavily in any one area. 5. Monitor your portfolio. Once you've built a portfolio of ETFs that meet your goals and risk tolerance level, it's important to stay up to date with their performance so that any necessary adjustments can be made quickly.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.